There's sure a lot of dogs out this evening. Perhaps they can assist me in a song. It's mid-July and I'm still cold, thinking of my saddest memory, yeah, just so I can cry. 'Cause all I need is you, yeah. All I need is you, yeah. All I need is you, yeah. All I need is you, 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 you. You can call me out, baby, call me out, just you call me out. That's all it is, that's all it is, This is what love is all about. You can call me out, baby, call me out, just count me I'm kinda sick of losing. It makes me wanna cry. It seems everything in life I try for, I'll never get before I die. But what's the point in moaning? Honey, leave that for the ghosts. It's better to think it through, find the words that bring you home. Oh, home. I need you. Life is a bitch, but she's told me to she'll knock you around and she'll lend you a hand. Oh, life is a bitch, but she's told me to she may be love you, dear, but life is a bitch. So how do I stop the spinning? I'm in need of more air. I'm dizzy from everyone around me winning. It just doesn't seem to be very fair. But I'll keep looking for the bright side in the darkest hour of night. Keep an open eye to the sky. Try to find all my lost faith, yeah. Oh, faith, I need you. Life is a bitch, but she's told me to she'll knock you around and she'll lend you a hand. Life is a bitch, but she's totally doable.
exist, I swear. I've been having a slow past few days. Slizzity slow. Hello, random. Welcome back. Good to see you. Oh boy, be strong. Some say I won't last. I say they're wrong. Out of focus AF. Unstoppable. No, we won't be defeated. We are unstoppable. No, we don't need a reason. Through the dirt, you've heard our prayer. Oh my god. Stupid fucking webcam. Oh, I hate just being alive sometimes. It's a nightmare. Oh my god, piece of shit. Well, in the meantime, let's just listen to some Foxy Shazam. Try to get my freaking webcam to work. It doesn't even exist anymore. Oh my god. Why? Why is the world like this? I don't like this. Turn this down just a little bit. Oh god, can you work, please? This is the worst fucking stream I've ever done. Device malfunction. What is wrong with you, you piece of shit? Thank God. All right. Shimmy, shimmy. And there I declare oh my god. Alright. No webcam today. Fuck it. I'm not fighting with this anymore. Oh my god. Why? Why? That works. Why don't you? This is the most frustrating day I've had in a while. I'm not ready, no. USB device not recognized. Oh my god. Alright, I'll just assume. Just not my day. It's not my week, really. Not my month. June's coming off to a rough start for me. I feel better now. Alright, let's set up my environment. I feel better now. Okay. Cool. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the stream. Yeah, the webcam still exists. Where does this one usually go? Up there? Okay. So, we're still focusing in on the board game. Trying to get this thing up and running. I'm gonna play a little TF2 as well. Ugh, God. Start both of these. Jeez. There is always a wrong to your right, and there will always be a war somewhere to fight. Okay, so I gotta join in on the main lobby now. So what I'm doing here is I'm just setting up my development environment. Host 3K. So we first navigate into the lobby. WebApp. We are enjoying it up. And if you look at the right monitor on my console down here, all of them connected, and then whenever add player occurs, I grab my user data, which includes the game that I will be attaching all this stuff to. So I think it would be nice if the game was a hash. And the URL query param. Alright, so that means in my design doc, my to-do list. What I want to do is essentially have user login auth, which means I need a create user salts and hash password. On login, return token. It's always wrong to your right, and there will always be a war somewhere to fight. God knows I've had some rough fucking years. Oh Lord, keep on keeping on. Do I need two separate cookies here? Instead of two cookies, I can carry over the cookie from to hold me in my place. Alright. I can carry over the cookie from my login to off my actions against the server. This is one idea. So maybe create a session per user when so I either have a session here or I have some sort of way to hit a lobby page. I'm essentially thinking about a lobby table, which I believe I've already done here. Player game round. This is essentially my lobby table. And this probably needs an update TS as well. So the order of operations here is very important. I feel like such a goon. Or ghoul, I guess is the best term for it. State diagram this. All right. Like realistically, I could just have 2 cookies, which would speed up my lookup time. Ish. It would save me a table lookup, which isn't really that expensive. And I don't really envision this game having a crazy high volume, especially at the start. Like my digital leech finder's been up for, I want to say almost half a year at this point, and I stopped really advertising for it because I wasn't getting any traction. But just recently, someone signed up, and I have a recurring customer, which is wild. It's pretty cool. Alright, like where am I, what is the problem? Where am I getting stuck? I want to reorder these. Bothers me. That's sort of why I think it's sort of left. So I know I need at least this much. My app. Got my lobby. And the socket isn't set until I get my bear token, which is fine. It's good that that works. This is a lot of stuff. We're starting to get into prop hell here. And I will have to see a man about a dog in about half a sec. So I typically go main. I typically go main top level packages, and then I go configuration files, and then I go, I guess this would go up here as well. These are all state related stuff, and then I go my own components. And realistically, it's like this. Let's alphabetize it or not. And then all this test stuff, let's stick that together. Like I might just spend a portion of today cleaning up the app portion, because one thing that you can do when you sort of get stuck is clean things up. It's one of the best things you can do. Hang on. I'll be right back. Alright. We're back. We back and we back and we back and we back. Sporp ain't happy today. And that's okay. We all got those days. God, I am feeling a warpath day today. What we're trying to do is figure out how we're going to do our lobbying system for my board game. So right now, how the game works, you hit lobby, this lobby pops up. Actually, let me reset this. Because ideally, I want to make it so that it can do a couple things. I'll actually pop up the that's a good thing to do. We'll make a goalpost. I guess that's what we're missing. Go to the right side. Lobby goals. Player goals. What I want. When an auth user hits lobby, transition from current page to a page with a magic link and query. It's only necessary for I'm still a little garbled here. I got the text. There we go. What am I doing wrong here? I'm still like pulling the void together in order to create this garbage. Sometimes it just helps rewriting the same thing over and over again until it's correct. A series of socket players to attach to the game instance. When they try to perform actions against the instance, A. It's checked if the player is authorized. Player's ID is on the game. but making sure all the actions are happening at the right point in time. The auth token means all right. This is a future state problem. We're not going to solve it now, but I'm just going to start laying the groundwork so that we can eventually fix this down the line. So I want the ability if someone gets detached, that we don't give a shit about their socket. We care about, like, any socket could be connected to this thing as long as it's authed. And via the auth token, we grab our player ID and we'll say, I guess in the sort of action object, we can send the game ID. And that way it can be dynamic. And depending on whatever lobby we're joined, okay. So we can have a query param in the lobby for joining so that you attach yourself to the right game. And then of player IDs in the database, and we'll send a game ID whenever an action is sent, because it can be sent to any game, and that way we don't need to mess with our auth token every single time the game is changed. Cool. All right, so I think that's our solution then. A query param for both game ID and lobby ID. It's not a bad idea. Okay. Backend. Make sure all of this is in my Oh god, there's a quick little window into myself. Can I get some trues in the chat? So many of these guys. What is this shit? Yeah, let's get out of here. Yeah, that's bad. Let's try this again. I'm gonna hit lobby on one of these. One connected. Player joined game ID. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, it's not exactly what I want, but I'll keep messing with it. Start game. So the game still starts. This is good. The news ticker reads. Cool. Let's see if this PR card works. Payment object dot Carmen. Oh, so my interesting. However, I'm paying for cards is outdated. Random! Welcome back to the stream. Do apologize if I was a little late today. I did see that you left a message earlier. Ugh, a lot of things going on in my life, but we are here and we're doing stuff. And model. Play card with ID. So I guess this is where it's jacking out. Play card with ID. Okay, sick. So this is wrong. I'm trying to... It's an outdated function that's no longer working. So I guess we can try to fix this first. So... I love this show payment modal, please. I hope you're well. We did some more Scotland planning not too long ago. Very excited for it. We're gonna go up into the Highlands. We're gonna try to see some hairy-ass cows for Mrs. Swarp. Glasgow and Edinburgh. Life besides rough has been really good. I've been doing really well with my clients for my business. I've been interviewing for a couple jobs. I ran a coding interview yesterday for one of my patrons. Like, I've noticed this inverse relationship of how my personal and professional life seem to take turns with which one's doing well. How about you, Random? How are you? I don't want to talk too much about me. So this works by... I gotta donate energy. Set selected action to donate energy. So I need to... play card : card ID. That's what we need. So in my hand modal, this doesn't need to be play card with ID. This needs to be set action. Set selected action. Has to go A into the hand modal. Instead of play card with ID, what I want to say is I want two things. I want a new state variable that says instead of just set selected action and set selected action cost, set selected card, because my card has all the metadata for my card that I need, and realistically I want to add not only set selected action, because then I can set that to say play card. I can then also say set selected card, so I know which card I'm trying to play. And then that means in the payment modal, I don't just want to see what my selected action is and my selected action cost. What I really need to see is my selected card. Set selected card, then a selected card. I'm going to grab this and drop it in payment modal. So client action never is used here. this needs to be card. 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 What I can do is this is boop. Boop. Because now this has the scope where this sends my card up the chain. Anything cool happen? Yeah, we're figuring stuff out. The main thing that I've been working on is changing up the multiplayer logic so that this game can exist on the internet and multiple people can be playing at a time. And in order to figure that out, I've been having to work on this sort of connection system. So while you were gone earlier, I sort of figured out the methodology for that, where I'll just send the game ID every single time when the player wants to commit an action. And that way they can use the same authorization token between their account with the site and their socketed connection. But the other thing is, I figured out that my cards are broken. So I think I have a bit of a roundabout way to fix it. Play card with ID is no longer necessary. This is no longer a necessary function call because the action cost doesn't. I could set the selected action cost as well, but it's already on the card, so it would be redundant. Play summit card. So this play card with ID is actually broken on the other side. So yeah, whenever I send packets to the server, I think what I need to have is a 3-piece packet. Metadata, so game ID, who's playing the card, if there's a target. Action. I guess it's only 2. It's like payment, meta and action, and payment is somewhere either within action or something external as well. So what's happening right now? Player ID, payment objects, play card with ID. Wow, I'm not sending in the player data, I'm not sending the ID in the object. That's why. So I'm sending an object without anything in it. I hope this isn't boggling your mind too much, because I'm barely understanding it right now either. And this is prop hell right now. At some point we're gonna need to snip this down, nip the tip, and client action doesn't look like it's no longer. Okay, client action, separate action. I don't think this is used anyway. Yeah, it's not. Strip it. Get your silly little butt out of here. Mine's been boggled since I was born. I feel the same way. It's like an action. I want you to be the same. Type hard. Save function. There we go. refreshing. It shouldn't, but better safe than sorry. Cool. And then I believe I need to close the hand modal. Where's my hand modal? So I need to close my hand, and I need to open the payment modal. Close hand modal means yes. So that's fine, and I can still do that. That means I need to do that here. Which will be my on-close. And on-close hand modal. Close hand modal. Set show hand modal false. Set show payment modal true. Alright, so we've made it to the point where I've set my action and my actual card to a state variable, which will then be picked up by the payment modal. So let's make sure that that happens first. I'm gonna start up a game. That's funny. For some reason, if I leave my old auth stuff up and I stay in the same lobby, it just floods the lobby with users, which I think crashed my computer last time. But I think I'll be able to catch it now before it gets too loco. Join Y, lobby, join B. And I need to transfer from the main page now here to my lobby page, because that's where my auth token gets picked up. Cool. Alright, so play, show hand, rechargeable battery, play card. Cool. Zero cost. Nice. Pops up my payment. Sick. Cool. So that means we've gotten through the first half. Now I need to decode the card and grab its payment. And how do I receive cards? Play card, ID. Control this. Like, this is called externally from. Socket on, this needs to just be play card. Put that somewhere here. This isn't the way that everyone does it, but I really do like. Naming things in a sensible way and separating them via new lines. It's such a minor thing, but it really adds a lot in terms of just readability. Readability is huge. So try to play the card, play ID. When I get my player ID and my card ID, in reality, I want to. Okay. This I think is all fine so far. I need to get my payment array. Play card. If it's not my play a turn, return it. This should be brought out into a piece of middleware at some point. Let's see if we can do that super quick, because it's just, I hate it. Middlewares. this is attaching it. Like, it'll always be authed, which is nice, because I'm attaching my authorization token to my socket on transition from the main page to the lobby. So that's fine for now. I hate it, but it's fine. And I'm checking if my payment's valid, so I need my payment object and my card ID. So, player ID, payment object for player data. Card ID, player data. So realistically, this should have card ID and the payment object. I don't like that I'm deconstructing it twice. So I guess player ID will always have, player data will always have player ID, payment object, the game ID. I'm just writing this in line to save it later on down the line. It's not actually going to be used anywhere, but I want my player ID, socket ID, name, Monkey D. Luffy, gonna be king of the pirates. I am turning a board game into a full stack web application so I can play it online with my friends via a web browser. I made a board game with my friends. That's the link down there. And we're getting deep into the code. All right. Welcome to the stream, monkey. Color is gonna be like blur. Game ID. It's gonna be like a bleep. Hopping? All right. Great to see you. Thanks for stopping by. D-man. Damn, son. Target ID. So it's kind of going to look like this, I guess, whenever an action's committed. I am so sweaty. I'm on the 3rd floor of my steamy-ass attic. That's where the studio's at. All right, cool. So we have a basic structure. I'm going to throw this in the design doc as well. So we're pretty good here. I don't need to change this too much, but I need my player ID, card ID, and the payment object. So in payment modal, we're back to the old camera because I spent 10 or 20 minutes at the start of stream trying to get my old camera up and running. For some reason, my computer's just allergic to my capture card for my camera today, which is frustrating AF. If I go to face, I try to hit it with the device. I'm frustrated too. It just doesn't want to cooperate today. It's killing me. It is literally killing me. This is like heartbreaking. I'm so frustrated. Yeah, it says the USB device isn't recognized. I moved the USB port. The camera switches on. Shows up. Activate, deactivate. No dice. Like, my only other hope is potentially restarting stream, but I don't want to kick my 2 viewers out. Let's just try going to the NodeJS virtual camera. Go back to USB video. Hey! Look at that. Look at that bull. Wow. 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 Let's get you looking at my face. A stupid gob. You happy? Are you entertained? Close modal with pay. Here is where we need to do selected action cost. So we're gonna do the card check first. Oh yeah, we just doubled our budget in one easy step. And we'll have this be our else if. So we're first doing a check for the card. So if selected action is play card, I believe that's what I wrote. Go back to that. So if anyone can tell me why I do this, who knows what an if else does? Oh my god. Did I earn memes? Oh, did my camera freeze? Okay, good. Oh, I was... Oh, wait. That's better. A little mug. Okay, there we go. Meme dump. Alright, we're going to finish out this payment modal, and then we're going to do a meme review. With my boy, Random, back at it again. Client action. Selected action. So this will be play card. Not ideal to do a string check to... test an action between stuff, but whatever. Alright, but now we're doing the client action thing. Cool. Set selected action. So client action back here needs to... We're having technical difficulties. I think there's like a solar flare going on or something, because my shit has been bull today. Bull ass have an ass. Where's my client? Where is client action? Go through there. What the fuck? Client action. Oh, socket. So the socket mission happens within here, which means I can have a separate client action card. can just say play card. Alright, we're still here, right? Come on. Oh my god, it died again. Are you kidding me? What is this horse bollocks? USB video. Activate, deactivate. Okay. Oh my god, I want to scream. Holy moly. Oh my god. We're having technical difficulties too, random. I am ready to blow a fucking gasket. Okay, there we go. My golly god. Oh, I gotta re-zoom on my dumb face. My stupid little mug. Alright. Stay. Alright. So like I said, we got our client action card here. I'm gonna blow a gasket today. Today might be the day. Per player, payment object, and selected card dot ID. Why not? Comma expected. Alright, we're just gonna say, oh, we gotta set card ID, selected card dot ID. There we go. Yeah, I'm tweaking hard. I'm ready to break something today. It's just been one of those days where like, the world compresses you to a certain point where you just want to like rip and tear. I mean, we did technically get another Twitch sub, so I think I did get a sub on Twitch, so I think I do owe y'all some 5 pull-ups. Yeah, medical on standby due to workers at random studio currently making a suicide pact. Are they on standby for the pact or to respond to the pact? Okay. Show hand. Charge my battery. So let me try to buy a battery. Oh, alright. So I actually did mess up here. Closing still goes to the... I want 2 separate on-closes. I want on-close and on-select. Situation's currently a work in progress. So we got close hand modal. So I want this stuff to be present over here. Close hand modal, and I want const pay for card. Oh, that's gross. What are you doing? Poor. My god. Have you ever coded before? Dare call yourself a computer engineer, you fucking idiot. Alright. Set show hand modal. And select pay for card. So I wanted to bring in on select here. Because these are separate actions. On close goes to on close. On select goes to play. So now, we're going to go back to left. Now when I hit show hand and X out, that didn't work. Alright, so if I hit show hand and pay for card, on select is not a function. Okay. Gotcha. So I inverted these. On-click is on close, on select. Oh, I didn't save the top level stuff. Okay. Pay for card. Cool. So now I go back over here. I'm gonna buy a battery for 1. Bink. Done. Now I'm gonna say, show hand, recharge battery, play card, cost 1, select what? Oh. Yeah, alright. I'm just gonna, this is gross still, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my hand modal, and I want selected action cost. I want to set that to card.cost. So set selected action cost, card.cost. Cool. This comes in here. Action cost. 3D. Hand modal. Selected action cost. Play card with ID. What does that even do? Fucking nothing. Alright, that's useless now. So I can clear this out. Play card with ID. F off. Now I go back to left. I show hand. I X. This takes away the modal. I show hand. Recharge 1 battery, cost 0, pay. Something broke. Maybe the back end. No, it just didn't happen. Okay, alright. The memes might have gotten sent in twos. That's totally random. I appreciate the effort regardless. Today is one of those days we're just gonna show up, alright? Some days you just gotta show up, grit your teeth and bear it, eat the shit sandwiches, and just say, you know what? Today I will be present, if nothing else. Hand modal, payment modal. Let's just make sure we do console. Playing card, monsieur. And we'll do something similar on the back end. Go to our schmiggity schmag. And we're going to test every step along the way. Start, play card. This is where a logging infrastructure comes in handy, being able to turn on and off logs. Player ID, pin object, player data. Is player's turn. Action paid. And then this error responds a true or false. This goes down to here, play card by ID. Yeah. My middleware would be nice, essentially every single time I come in to pick up the game state and pass it along. Alright. Let's go back to my hand. Show hand. Alright. Recharge 1 battery. I'm gonna play this card, pay for it. Not gonna really know anything until I reset everything. Restart the back end, restart my front end. I'm gonna put these next to each other so that I can see. all these pages. Beep, bop, boop. Some wild thing in there. Don't worry about it. I don't think I have any other instances of the game running. Yeah. Lobby. Join. Lobby. Blue. Join. Lobby. Red. Join. Start it up. Start the game. Takes 1 carbon. I want to play 1 PR. Yep. Play card. PR of 1. Pay for it. Broke. Card.action. Alright. So that broke. That's okay. It's further along. So this is play card by ID. That's my build. I want build. Card.action. So card wasn't retrieved. So card ID might be... No, it would have rejected here. Play card by ID. Alright, play card by ID. Pop these out. Alright. And then we'll log the card right here. Now, I just like to do this because it gives me a new line. Restart the server. Restart the front end too, because why not? Now this needs to edit. This should go there. Cool. Get this out of here. Get that out of here. Lobby. Y. Z. R. Start the game. My hand. Draw 1. I just want to play 1 PR card to see what happens. So my server crashed. Card undefined. Play card by ID. Ooh, alright. So this isn't returning properly. Play card by ID 63, and that is my card ID. So that means that would be so somewhere in this gobbledygook. It's not working. It should be, so 63. Let's try this out. Return color. So I guess none of these are working. This should work. PR 63. Should have been this guy. And given me my action. So we'll try this out. double check that I'm not overwriting my card here. Start this back up again. Start both of these. Go back over to the left side. Okay. Lobby it up. Oh, I didn't. Good. So I gotta start here, and then hit lobby. Start here, then hit lobby. Start here, then hit lobby. Why? Because I need to grab the auth token before I join the lobby. Start the game. Okay. Show hand. Play card. Y. Pay. Guys. Okay. So that means. What's my logic here? Is getting X now. Yeah, that's fine. Play card. Undefined. Game started. What the fuck is this card? Called from? This is. Oh. For the cards, I'm pushing the actual whole card data, which is a little unnecessary, but that's fine. For some reason, play card by D, play card. Control flow. Yeah, right here. So for some reason, these aren't returning what I want. This should be false. But this function's never even called. Play card by ID. Player 0, card 58. Card is null here. It's never even jumping into. Like, one of these should be called. Like, this here should be called. Why are you dying? Damn. Let's just double check that one of these is being called. Oh. 58 mod. Look at this. Look at this bullshit. Inspect. I'm gonna go to my console. 58 mod 100. Oh, it's the remainder. Damn it. That's why it's jumping to here, but it's massively negative. Ah, that's so stupid. I can just say if card minus 100 is greater than or equal to 0, and I'll just flip these. That's so stupid. That's a stupid error. Here, winter. Here, spring. That'll do it. Alright, saved up. And then start it up. The medical that's on... the medical that's been on standby has joined the pack. That's a good decision on their part. Good for them. Do something with your life, you know? Like, realistically, I should also shut off these buttons when the join happens. Start the game. Alright. Show hand, one of these PR. Play card. Add it. Pay for it. Play card with ID 64. Alright. Close. Closer. So, all this... So it should say here spring here somewhere. Here spring. Card 64. The card returned is 64. Sick. So my logic is working fine. Cool. Now the next bit is why isn't the action working? And the action's not working probably because, you know, just because it's feeling quirky. Feeling a little quirky these days. We'll leave these in here for now. Just for a little verbosity. Let me know if my text is too small, by the way. I'm going to crank it up a little bit more. So my action isn't attaching properly for my functions here. So card, PR, action, by PR, player data, game state. That's probably not going to work. Yeah. Alright, so it just... These just project now, which is fine. I think I need the full data here. Yeah, action player data. So this action here, by PR, is this used anywhere else? In common. For action by PR. Alright, so this action already exists. That's really cool. So I can get my colors. So I need to... Okay. And this is happening on my player. Where are you being called from? Socket on by PR. Payment object. First energy. Alright. Alright, so I can strip this and grab all of this. Instead of my first energy, I'm combining the energy. Now, this is a little complicated, but player state, cool. I need my, so by PR, doesn't have number PR anymore. What I need is my player data, because this has my payment object. I can strip these out of here. That's what we like to see. So, PR colors. This is annoying because the energy can come from the factory, the battery, or carbon. If it's the factory or battery, I pull. So. I is equal to 0. I is less than factory energy array dot length. Semicolon. I plus. Like realistically, I want to extract this into some sort of function because it's going to repeat the factory battery. Here are colors. Here are colors. Push. Payment object factory energy array of I. Now I do this for batteries as well. So that takes care of my first two conditions. And then finally, I need to do this for carbon. And carbon on my player is not an array, it is a number. Carbon reserve, carbon footprint. On the payment object, carbon looks like what? Carbon reserve. So payment object dot carbon reserve. Now this is a little silly. IPR. Cool. Nice. If that length is less than or equal to 0, return false, and then return true. A little complicated. Like this isn't great, but it's fine. Now we're going to start this back up again for the third time. All saved up, almost. No, all saved up. We are. Hang on, I'm complaining about something. Ah. So all this junk is replaced with nothing. Here. Oh, I'm so excited for those memes. I'm so hyped. I'm gonna start these up again. Beep, bop, boop. Start up the server. Beep, bop, boop. Beep, bop, boop. I know you can't read on. Dang it. Oh. Same issue. So, updating the thing to use the payment object also blew up in the other page. So, same thing. Control F. One. Replace all. 2. Replace all. PR spring summer. I thought there would be a trailing comma, but I guess it just somehow. Alright, start it up again. npm start. Boop. Left monitor. Try this on again for size. Yellow. Blue. Red. Join it up. Alright, doesn't crash immediately. Glacier National Park rebrands as Water Park. Each player's factories produce the color to the energy to their right. Yellow produces blue, red, blue produces red, red produces yellow. Sick. Show my hand. Give me one freaking... Alright, looks like I don't have any... oh, PR, perfect. Play card, BB. Pay? Yes! Yes! Oh! Victory screech! Alright, we're gonna... we're done with my turn. I'm gonna end that turn. I'm gonna buy a battery for 1. Store that battery. Store that energy on the battery. End my turn. Go to the final player. Once again, buy a battery. Store it. And the reason I'm doing this is I really want to test PR of multiple colors. I don't think I have anything here, so I'm just gonna pay. Player donated energy, yellow, yellow. End my turn. Check my hand. Show hand. PR, 1. If I do this with an R, this should be red PR. And it is. Do I have another color though? Show hand. PR. Alright, it didn't delete it from my hand, so that's fine. Let's try it with blue. Bam. It didn't actually work, which is good. Because it shouldn't have. I guess it's still on my hand, but not at the game state or something. Alright, well, I'm just going to store an energy. And I will donate the last one. Sick. End my turn. Last guy. Now, I want to buy PR. What I want to do is show my hand. Alright, PR2. If I go red, yellow, I should see 1 red and 1 yellow PR. And I do. And then buy PR. Show my hand. I got a PR for 1 here. This should add 1 more red. And it does. We fixed PR cards, baby! Ow! Feeling good about that. Oh, that is huge. Huge. So, the cards aren't deleting from my hand, but that's okay. We don't need to get there just yet. Like, for some reason, if I look over here, I might be able to rectify this pretty quick. So let's just take a peek. See if it's a quick fix. So, buy PR, no, I want to play card. Play card by ID. That returns true. This splice. Alright, so it removes off the player state. Interesting. Let's see the check. So this is checking if the card. This is essentially getting my card. And I commit the action in key state, season of cards. That's like this should be a pass by reference. And then updating the state should game state. And game state contains player state. So I don't know why these aren't deleting, but that's fine. Maybe it is, but it's just not updating on the front end? Possibly? Maybe? Player state array should be working. I don't know. Oh well, the major hurdle is payment now works. Maybe I just need to skip doing this. Like, it should be a reference though, to that array. I'll give this one more go. Console.log seasonal cards on both sides of this. Let's just see what's going on. I really don't want to leave this like mostly done if I have the choice. Labe, labe, labe. Hello. It's twoo. It's tawoo. Start the game. Come on. Give me a PR. Cost 2. Way. Play. Now let's check. Card has been played. Alright, so it has been removed. And the state's been sent. So the card's removing, it's just the state isn't updating here. My seasonal hand, okay. Hand modal. Seasonal cards, so seasonal cards isn't updating. And that's coming from where? Seasonal cards coming from seasonal card meta. Oh, so these are reading two separate things, and I need to remove seasonal card meta. Okay, gotcha. So this is fine. I'm just not deleting the metadata. It's kind of redundant that I have both of these, but whatever. Want to do is find my player. And seasonal card meta gives me an array with IDs. An array of objects with IDs. Meaning when I go to this portion here, key state, that's seasonal card meta. I want to save this just so I have my .id. So key state. Seasonal card meta. And this is so I can grab my index. Like realistically, this could be a filter. I'm an old school Java boy. I like seeing it all. Helps my brains. All right. If well, actually, I'm gonna cheat here. minus minus. And you want to essentially go backwards whenever you're removing an element from an array, because you'll always decrement. And if you even remove the current element in place, you'll never have an out of bounds error, which is really nice. This is one of those little tricks. If seasonal card meta of i.id is the same as my card ID, then I do that same splicing logic. Yay. Again. Start up the game. I want to play a card from my hand, and I want to delete it. World's hottest. Each player produces 1 less energy this month. Pay for it. Done. Played. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. You mother. So I played card with ID 63. Yeah, I didn't delete it.
But they are no longer able to control their urges. They disassociate themselves from their own actions, often experiencing hysterical blindness. They are blind to the darkness within themselves.
Why didn't you delete? Alright, so I know that seasonal cards are deleting just fine. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Alright, so I don't need to see it start. What I really want to see is... Yeah, it was 63. Card ID. What am I doing wrong here? Card been played. Testing ID. So for some reason this ID isn't lining up. Yeah, it just stayed spliced. Alright, I have a feeling something's not lining up here. Try this again. Why? Start the game. Starts up. Like hopefully something just didn't save. Show hand. Cross my tips. Pay for it. It just never works. So this loop is never running because testing ID isn't showing up.
dissociate themselves from their own actions, often experiencing an hysterical blindness. They're blind to the darkness within themselves.
God, come on. That's seasonal card meta. Am I making a wrong assumption here? Seasonal card meta. Where did we play it? Right. Let me clean this up a little bit. Try this out. Start back up. Push the front end too, just because. Down here. Like that. Yellow, blue, red. Join it. Alright. PR. Play card. Do it. Play it. Go back and see what. Because there's just something missing. Enchanted! Welcome back to the stream. Great to see you.
People who commit these acts are in many ways no different from you and me, but they are no longer able to control their urges. They dissociate themselves from their own actions, often experiencing an hysterical blindness. They're blind to the darkness within themselves.
Damn it! Ugh, stupid. So stupid. I reversed this. Do the loop as long as I is greater than or equal to 0. I said less than or equal to 0. It's always starting at 5, so this loop was never running. Stupid! Ah! Little dummy. Little dingus. Alright, let's get rid of all this. Restart the server. Ah, it's always something so small. I'm gonna refresh these pages. Yeah, we got a W speller in the house. Alright, if this works, random, we're moving on to meme review. Oh my lord, this might be it. And PR. Edit, hit it. Broke my server. Card menu. What? Fudge. Last little thing. Two things. So the length of the array is 5. The last element is at position 4. So I'm looking for the array element at position 5, which doesn't exist because an array of length 5 has an element at 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That makes 5 positions, 0th indexed, meaning 0 offset from the pointer location in memory. Ah! All right. Start these all back up. Lobby, yellow, bing bang bung. Lobby, blue, bing bang bung. I really should delete the join lobby buttons after this all goes in. Start game. Play a card from my hand. Pay it and play. Oh, I didn't save it. Stupid. Let's do it again. Start it back up. All right. Refresh these pages so I get my JWT token. Hit Y. Hit B. Hit R. Start the game. Now with my saved data. Show my hand. Faulty inspection. Don't want to do that actually. Show hand. PR. Add one. Pay it. Play it. Played card. Show my hand. I should not see. I should see one less card. And I do! Yes! We're going to celebrate. Celebrate with the way God intended. Camera 1. Camera 2. Get that nice overhead view, which I can't seem to align properly. Camera 3. Same position. Can't rotate. Camera 4.
The highest inflation rate in more than 40 years is pushing many Americans past their financial limits.
Sing along if you know the words. We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. Commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We know each other for so long. Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy to say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. My favorite shots coming up. Just never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna That's sick. Hand, like headstand with it on. Awesome. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Give you up. Like the dumbass fence hop that gets me every single time. It's so stupid. Ugh. Hell yeah. Alright, let me just push my changes here. Good source. Push my changes for both of those. Productive day. Getting all this stuff up and running. I'm pretty happy. Hope you're happy with it too. Let's dive into... Yeah. Let's get over here. Let's pop up some memes. Some don't let your memes be dreams. Oh. Oh my god. Random. You beautiful, beautiful bastard. Right here. Let's see. Yeah, onesies are fine, but twosies, we discourage waffle stomping here in the studio. I've a... Oh, this is kind of tragic, but I live near an elderly person. And one time touring through her house, it became apparent that she wouldn't leave the shower sometimes. Like, it's unfortunate when, this is in America, there's a bit of a disconnect between the generations. Ugh, yeah, she could have used some better hospice care. Straight down the drain. Take me back, I want to be Beaver. This is what that reminded me of. I think this is the one.
Go back! I want to be monkey!
I think this is the other one too.
Go back! I want to be monkey!
Amazing. Yeet. That is like that's the ninja equivalent of scratching your ass and smelling it. Just absolute degenerate behavior. But the fact that he's able to whip his shit out, there's gotta be some... That sphincter's gotta be nice and clean, because you knew it just flew out. There was no points of friction. That is... Damn. I will never match that dog's power. I would need the equivalent of going on like a rope swing and just getting a full pendulum and wow. He's sick. Having a ball itch when you can't do anything about it, that is torture. That's a level of hell right there. I already don't want to watch that one. Yeah, let's go! Yeah! That's a true Christian right there. Defend my mans! Hello, Enchanted. Welcome again. Welcome to the Twitch side of things. Oh, geez. I just had a terrible idea. I'm not going to share with you yet. But that's a homie right there. I hope if I get crucified one day, one of my friends will beat the fuck out of a Roman soldier on my behalf. Dungeon Quest on Roblox with my friend. Sounds fun. I was a Dungeons and Dragons dungeon master for a bit of time during my high school years. It's fun. I have no idea what Dungeon Quest is. Let's take a quick peek. Dungeon Quest Roblox. None of this means anything to me. Alright. Cool. Yeet. Ow. I'm level 77 in about 2.5 hours. He's level 50 or something. Cool. Big numbers. Oh. Oh, jeez. Random. My buddy. This is surely an exercise in a contrast. I hope you can understand the humor of this situation. This guy just going to town. And a fucking kid from the UK talking to me about Roblox. Went from 1 to 50 something in 2 hours for him. Me play about 1.5 years or more to get to level 6. Come back today to get level 77. Nice. Damn, that's some WoW level commitment. And I will never play WoW. I tried it once or twice and I just think it sucks.
What's the matter?
I've been getting death threats.
You mean death threats?
Not this time.
You undone me! You undone me on your analog! Die!
Holy. That's funny. That is really friggin' funny. Oh my god. Holy. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Whew.
Where there is smoke, there is weed.
Oh, Jesus. Silencers don't make guns that quiet. That'd be so funny. Oh. It's still loud. There's still a crack, especially if the bullet's not subsonic. That's funny though. That's funny right there. That's a good time. Where there's smoke.
Yo, I'll fight you. Yo, one-on-one sword fight. One-on-one sword fight, officer. One-on-one sword fight. Yo, respect the 1v1. Respect the 1v1, guys. Back up. Respect the 1v1. Yes!
He respected it. What? You ever just get so drunk that your character preferences toggle? I love this. That's a mood right there.
Yo, I'll fight you. Yo.
The full body freeze. Something beautiful to behold. Ah, there's something so comedic about just just forgetting how to do anything when something shocks you to that degree. This is from the UK section of my audience. How jacked up do you think his teeth are? Springtrap shall be mine. Alright. He's all yours, dude. I don't even know what any of these mean. I've lost touch. I've been in an attic for the past year, just coding and making poor decisions.
Hang on, there's one more. I got one over here. Ooh. Hang on, there's one more. I got one over here. Ooh. Hang on, there's one more. I got one over here. Ooh.
Oh, jeez. Am I too stupid for this one? I might be. But goddamn. Way to go for Bat. Go to Bat. If they got helmets and nods on, you're not winning. Yeah. Boys going night-night. Ah. Why you gotta do that to me, bro? Thought we were homies. I know. Yeah. I feel the exact same way, Enchanted. Fuck you, random. That's just not cool. Yeah. Not cool at all. We're moving on. What a goblin-ass looking guy. Look at that little rodent. Is that thing face swapped, or is it just that ugly? Ugh. It's your type of pet? Something so catastrophically ugly you can never feel bad about yourself. This is sponsored by Big Weed Money Gang. Oh, you know what? We gotta play something real quick. Shadow. Let's get this rolling real quick.
Shadow Wizard Money Gang. We love casting spells. This song is sponsored by the Shadow Government. Legalize nuclear bombs. Swag Messiah. Bees make honey.
It's true. Bees make honey. They don't talk about that enough. Why isn't that discussed more? Bees make honey. What do you mean versus?
I eat dirt.
This makes me sad. This makes me... I know he's probably not eating it, but that makes me legitimately unhappy. I don't give a shit if it's fake or real, but it's just unsettling, regardless. Hope it throws up and goes back in the garden. Yeah. Hope he didn't get any grubs in there. What are you laughing about, huh? Are you happy that you're doing this to me, random? Does this bring you joy? Just hurting my soul. Oh, do a monkey spin. Oh. 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 Oh, dude. He did not just almost Kamehameha me. No way. Just... What's up? Yo, what's up? What you gonna do about it, huh? Huh? I can take that fucking monkey. Easy. I would get torn. into many pieces so quickly. That boy loves freedom right there. Fuck you, random. Just go fuck yourself.
You see, I...
Amazing. Skibby Dop. What a name. What a name. Oh, that's not good. That's so not good. That's bad. That's bad, bad, not good. Right there, that's bad, bad, not good. Oh man, my boy's gonna activate. He knows what's up. My boy's going from inactive to active operator at the table. Ooh. Ooh, buddy. Ugh. God damn, that's amazing. Is that a real monkey hand? It looks so long. That's a crazy long hand. Damn. Picks up all the tools. He gets the hose and the axes and the shovels. It's a dude. Yep. Oh, I saw that coming a mile away. Very clean legs for that guy. Why is his... Why, though? Why are his pants off? Why are you down there? Why are you doing this? Like, I like when the boys get to be the boys. But sometimes you dive too deep. Sent a TikTok. Alright. We're going in order. Hey, Drake, I'm sorry. I feel incredibly lightheaded. It's okay, I have a high-pitched ringing in my ears. OMG, maybe. Jonathan, gas leak. My fiance and I almost died in a goddamn gas leak. We were paying for an apartment in the Lower East Side of Manhattan. We were renting it from some college kid. Oh, the man's hard. Man's is hards. Imagine just feeling dong in the back of your brain. Oh, God. So my fiance and I, we were renting an apartment, and this apartment was clearly not up to code. There was multiple rooms where there was bunk beds of what I'm assuming to be multiple Chinese immigrants just stacked on top of each other in these different rooms. Like, we had a bathroom in our apartment. They had to use one out in the hallway. It was crazy. It was just a weird situation to be in. But one night, I awake 3 in the morning. I didn't realize it was 3. I thought my alarm was going off because I was hearing a beeping. A beep, 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 beep. I wake up, I was like, what? Why is my alarm going off? Check my phone, 3 in the morning. Something's not right. I look around, I look on top of the fridge, and that's where our carbon monoxide detector is, and it is going crazy. It's like somewhere between 3 and 5 times the limit of what would be considered hazardous. So I throw open all the windows, and I get my fiance, I start like shaking her awake, like, come on, we gotta go, we gotta get out of here, we gotta, yeah. Tech's acting up today. I think there's a solar flare going on. But I shake her awake. I'm like, we need to leave. We need to get out of here now. And she's groggy and out of it. And I basically kind of carry her out of the building. I call the fire department. They do a carbon monoxide test on the building. And there was a heater in the basement. And the heater had an exhaust pipe that went up what used to be a chimney in the building. But the pipe was leaky, or it probably ended short. And then the chimney was expected to carry the carbon monoxide the rest of the way up. The carbon monoxide leaked from the chimney into our room and was just filling it with an odorless gas that was, I had a crazy headache. I was like disoriented and out of it. My fiance tells me like, yeah, you probably saved my life, because I was not waking up. Like, I had to legit shake her and like make sure she was still breathing, and terrifying experience. And then the fire department came. They did a sweep of the room. They said, yeah, there's a lot of carbon monoxide in your room. I was like, are you going to do anything about it? They said, no. And they left. And I forced our landlord to change our apartments from facing basically I moved us from the left side of the building to the right and way down low. So if there was any sort of leaks, hopefully it happened higher up in the building. And I swept the room beforehand. I saw that there was no carbon monoxide leak in this one. I moved an entire college kid's room worth of stuff from a 5th floor apartment walk-up to a 2nd floor walk-up. And yeah, that was just a pain in the ass. It was a pain in the ass day. That same apartment, I came home drunk one night, and I locked my keys inside. My fiance was out of town, so I had no way of getting into the apartment. So what I did was, there was a fire escape in the back. I waited for someone to leave the apartment. I went through it. I jumped up to the fire escape, which don't do, ever. Don't do that. Don't grab onto a fire escape ladder that hasn't dropped yet. Because I have a neighbor from where I grew up who lost one of his, like the top parts of one of his fingers from getting it caught in a fire escape and the ladder coming down and just guillotining his finger off. Don't do what I did. It was incredibly fucking stupid, but I was drunk. So I came home, I jump up onto an undescended fire escape. I grab it, I pull myself up. Thankfully, I learned how to do pull-ups in college. And I clamber my way up, and I dangle off the side of the fire escape, and I push my AC unit into my apartment. And then I break into my own house. My own apartment, basically. Incredibly stupid. Don't ever do what I did. But also secure your AC unit so you can't break into your own apartment. Because if you can, someone else can. Back to the memes. Yeehaw. Ostrich. Well, I tried to warn you, Enchanted. What the fuck was that? What are you doing? Today I will eat 2 corn dogs. Amazing. When I give up and I get kind of sad, I just only eat hot dogs. They're just so stupid easy to make. You can throw them in a boiling pot of water and cook them. I'll just down an entire packet's worth of hot dogs in like a day, because I'll just eat them lunch, dinner. 2 at a time. Double dogging. I'll just kill them. All right. We're in, boys. We're in. Oh, is this a build your own pizza kit? Beautiful. That's dinner right there. Damn. I want to eat there. That looks like you could sell it for $30 in New York City. Call it like pre-civilized Italian rustic dinner. I feel like Dr. Eggman can use the N-word. I don't know why, but he just gives that kind of aura where I'm like, Maybe. Maybe. Wee woo, wee woo. Hey, we gotta put this to a poll or something. Although I'm not sure if I'm the appropriate party to ask. But hey man. You know, don't. I love a good double take. Just like it. Alright, oh, they're gonna... Oh. I don't know what's... No, it's definitely better to be the swinging in as opposed to the falling backside. Like, there's still the danger of you getting your junk crushed that way, but getting a punch to your tailbone is... I think that's awful. Let me know, chat. Would you rather be the guy in the front or the guy in the back? Huh. Well, I guess we're moving on. God damn. There's no neither. It's one or the other. God, the lengths he goes to for his fans. For the art. For the artistry of it. What a legend. Oh, jeez. Amazing. Yeah, you know, you're just down there. You like this? Yeah, you like it. Oh, jeez. That's like, here's fine, but the second you get down to there, oh. Holy. Damn, we got a lot of memes. Hell yeah. Love you, Random. Come on, bro. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Yeah. Yeah, fuck him up. Get him. God damn. Yeah, the bathrooms in school were always the Wild West. Ugh. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, no, that's a friendship ending moment right there. You know, in this fictitious situation we've put ourselves in.
I need a good emo girl kitten to jerk me off and then spit on me.
That's it? Standards are pretty low there, man. That's it. Come on, you can gotta aim a little higher. You can go to like a massage place for that kind of thing. Which, in my hometown, there was a massage parlor that was busted for prostitution, and it was next to the police station. I wish I had more details than that, but just the hilarity of like doing it right under the nose of the law. That takes some balls.
I need a good emo girl kitten to jerk me off and then spit on me.
Alright. I mean, we all got our ambitions. Cat's uprooted. What does that even mean? Harvest. Why? What black market bullshit is happening to kittens? Look at how dead its eyes are. It knows. It absolutely knows something's wrong. It can stare into your soul and think, wait, with you, harvest is an option. Nope. Nope. I hate that. I hate that so much. I know he took the blades out of it, but still, it's just, nope. That creeps me out as much as the people who actively, like, file their teeth down into points. Don't worry, it's funny. It's not. I don't think that's funny. I think that's spine tingling and gross and weird. The fuck, bud?
Look at the turn 4 suites. The spotters stand. They roll out of 4. And the All-Star race is underway.
Holy. This is vile. This is vile, random. I was like, yeah, relatable, not relatable anymore. We've gone past. Alright, let's check out your TikTok. Guess not. Oh. Oh. Damn. What do they know? Actually reminds me, this TikTok did not do that great. This one actually did pretty well. But, alright. Good to see you, Enchanted. This is actually probably good that you're not here for this. This happened the other day. That's right, the nozzle head sheared clean off. But no worries, let's 3D design and print a new head. Standard procedure here, just take a couple measurements, draw a couple doodles, take that design, throw it on the computer. Looking good, let's print it. Pop a little super shmoo on there. Pop the shaft in the shaft. I think that's called docking. Looking good. Oh, that finish. Oh my, we're cocked and loaded and ready to go. Mrs. Sporp absolutely hates hates that. It's funny. I've redesigned the. You're getting a sneak peek, actually. I've made several versions of this piece, and I'm releasing them on Etsy soon. I've already released version 1 on Etsy. But I've also made one that's a bit more accurate, as per the request of someone who saw it. Let's get the face cam up here. Look at that beautiful piece of art. I have also made one of these. Gonna be a little tough to see. There we go. I've made one of these. Once again, beautiful piece of a family heirloom, really, in terms of what it's. Yeah, it's pretty. Excuse me, Mr. Showing videos of people eating dirt. Hilarious. And lastly, I made a butt. Ah, you're interested, huh? Neurons activating? And I made a butt. There we go. Let's get you back. There we go. I'm very proud of those. All right. Yes, Queef is right. This is something right here. It's that Mr. Beast ask. Ugh. Amazing.
Cutting through the jungle in the all black fitted hat low, incognito living, introvert but she ain't timid. My art will be timeless. I don't do limits.
That's
be
so
very specific when you talk on who the best
hand-like.
is. How can I address this?
Oh my god. That's wild. You're wild for sending that.
Love of God! For the love of God!
Same. Bless up. Bless up to the Lord.
Nigga touching me, bro. Let a nigga run up to me, right? Like, let's say a nigga right there, right in front of me, right there. Nigga wanna do something. I hit him with this shit right here. Bitch ass nigga, you ain't gonna touch me, nigga.
Oh my. Oh my. He's not gonna touch him. Can't do it. Uh-uh.
How many babies can hold my weight? One baby.
You know, we live for science. We learn things via the scientific method, and the method requires testing. We're gonna test. For sure. Amazing. Oh, that's funny. That is goddamn funny. Ooh. I also victory screech when I crack a can. I get it. I feel that. Aww. They love each other. Godzilla did it all for him. After all these years, it was all for him. Damn, she got some power in it. I really hope she's not gonna eat it after that point. Oh, good memes. Thank you, Random. We needed some good memes. Ah, what's this bullshit? Ew. Code. Gross. Oh, god damn. Oh, damn. Wish that was me. I get that. I don't. I don't want some lady farting on my chicken sandwich. It's already got plenty of tang from the buttermilk. I don't need an extra amount of tang. God. God. Oh. One last piece of shit. My friend shared this with me.
Edge. Have you ever been on an edging streak? Edge. Edge. Do they keep you in a state of edging? Edge. Edge. When you're not performing your edging, do they make you goon? Edge. Edge. Riz. Riz. What's it like to hold the yacht of someone you love? Riz. Riz. Do they teach you how to feel? Sigma to sigma. Riz. Riz. Do you long for having your heart rizzed? Riz. Riz. Do you dream about being rizzed? Riz. Baby Gronk, rizzed up Libby Dunn. Riz. Riz. Do you feel that there's a part of you that's skibbity? Riz. Riz. Skibbity edge Riz. Skibbity edge Riz. Why don't you say that 3 times? Skibbity edge Riz. Skibbity edge Riz. Skibbity edge Riz. Skibbity edge Riz.
What is the internet? My God. We're all cooking each other's brains as we speak. Oh, the racial slurs tier list. I don't know if that's gonna pass terms of service. Oh, all right. Hell yeah, brother. I feel pretty well accomplished today. We fixed paying for cards in our hand. We've better ideafied about how the lobby's gonna work, which means we're gonna generate a random game hash, do check with database for a lobby. Hash is magic link via a I guess just a param, URL param, hash link, hash and ID of